Hi, my name is Carter Brown, and I'm the founder and CEO of GoGuide.
I believe that nobody starts a business in the outdoors to run a business. You start a business to be outdoors. And if you're like many of our clients across over 30 different states who helped us build the GoGuide platform, you probably started your guide service to spend more time in the outdoors. You wanted to make a living doing what you love and share your passion with others. However, you find yourself dealing with the complexities of running a business. Everything from guide scheduling, cancellations, coordinating with customers, marketing, refunds, and bookkeeping. That's why we worked hand in hand with our outfitters to build an easy-to-use solution specifically for the guiding industry. Allow me to introduce GoGuide, a guide service growth system and a complete platform that takes the hassles out of running your business, helps you grow your guide service, and connects outdoor enthusiasts to our network of the best trips the outdoors has to offer. First, we created the most personal and professional online booking experience on the market to increase your online bookings. Our scheduling system always knows your guide's availability, making manual bookings, rescheduling trips, and matching guides to clients easier than ever before. We automate and simplify customer and guide communication, track your financials for payroll, and put all the upcoming trip and customer information that your guides need into their hands to keep them prepared for every trip, saving you time and energy on every single booking. For all of our partners who use our platform, we automatically add and promote your trips on our website, the GoGuide Trip Finder. This is where we not only connect new customers to your guide service, but inspire them to experience your trips with the best guides in the industry. All of our clients are partners, because we genuinely care about your business and growing the outdoor industry as a whole. That's why we do podcasts, share your stories, and promote your trips. We invest in resources from the best minds in the industry on how to grow your guide service, offer playbooks, provide marketing templates, and work with third parties to increase your trip exposure. We also provide connections to our partners for Google Ads, insurance, and even hosting your own destination trips.
We believe running a business in the outdoors and doing what you love shouldn't be complicated or stressful. And when your mission is bigger than your product, it's easy to go the extra mile.
That's why we even do all the work to get you set up and provide a personal onboarding assistant for every client that we follow up with unmatched customer support from our incredible team.
But don't just hear it from me. Hear it from some of our partnered outfitters.
So, man, I've got to say, I think you guys have knocked it out of the park.
Absolutely saves time, man. I love how everything's integrated.
You know, I'm not a techie guy at all, but it's super easy to navigate.
I've been in the industry for 16 years now and should make it more enjoyable for every guide using the GoGuide system. I mean, the transition was seamless.
Yeah, and I mean, for anybody that is on the fence about it, you know, I'm the ultimate skeptic, and I would just say, you just need to go for it because it's going to be worth your while.